The Joint Action Committee of Umdap Area Development Organization yesterday honoured Bindas, Syiem, a woman who staged a hunger strike in front of the Secretariat in Shillong, demanding the government for the black-topping road of the deteriorated roads from Nongpo connecting to Umden under Nongpo constituency. The felicitation ceremony was held at the Paham Mo Lane Darbar Hall. As a result of her efforts, the government has finally agreed to black-topping the road from Nongpo connecting to Umden and other adjoining roads up to Sonapur Road.
Kajingkit kabakia, hangayang kasam kajongi. On day